In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect HubSpot to ChatGPT. Let's walk through this in a calm, clear way so you can follow along without any guesswork. Start inside ChatGPT. Look to the bottom left corner of your screen and click your profile icon. This opens a small menu where you'll select Settings. Think of Settings as the control center for how ChatGPT works for you. Inside Settings, find and click the Apps section. This is where integrations live. If you don't see it immediately, don't worry. Just scroll through the sidebar until you spot apps. Once you're there, click Explore Apps or Add More. Both lead you to the same place, the directory where you can browse and connect official integrations. In the directory, you'll see a search field at the top. Click into that field and type HubSpot. Be sure you choose the official HubSpot entry from the results so you're connecting the right tool. When you've found it, click Connect. This is the point where ChatGPT will guide you the rest of the way. Follow any on-screen instructions to complete the connection. You may be prompted to sign in to your HubSpot account, choose the correct workspace, and grant permissions. Take a moment to read the permissions so you're comfortable with what's being shared. If your organization uses multiple hubs or has different permission levels, select the workspace that matches the data you want ChatGPT to access. When you confirm, the system will finish the handshake between ChatGPT and HubSpot. You'll know it worked when the HubSpot app appears in your apps list and shows as connected. If you see any alerts or prompts, just follow them until the status confirms the connection. If something doesn't look right, a quick refresh of the page can help, and ensuring you're signed into the correct ChatGPT account and HubSpot workspace usually resolves most hiccups. From here, you're all set. You've connected HubSpot to ChatGPT, which means you can take advantage of the integration where it's supported. If you ever need to review or remove the connection, return to Settings, open Apps, and manage HubSpot from the same place you connected it. That's the entire process: Profile, Settings, Apps, Explore Apps, search HubSpot, connect, and follow any prompts. Keep those steps in mind, and you'll be able to reconnect or manage similar apps with confidence. Thanks for watching, and great job getting your tools working together.